I have a colleague at Stanford, Leah Crum, who's done some remarkable experiments on mindset. Two that are particularly interesting to me I want to share with you now because they really emphasize how our beliefs can really impact the way that our brain and body work together. One group got a shake that they were told was a low-calorie, healthy shake. The other group got a milkshake that they were told was the very decadent high-calorie shake. And what they found was that the high-calorie shake had a much more robust effect on blunting ghrelin and reducing ghrelin. But the interesting thing, you probably guessed already, is that it was the exact same shake given to both groups. And this is an incredible set of findings that illustrate the extent to which whether or not we believe a food is going to be good for us or not good for us, these belief effects are not about lying to yourself. So in order for them to work, you have to be naive to the information, right? You can't simply lie to yourself and tell yourself what you want to believe. And that's important, but also important is that the mind and the body are in this fascinating interplay. And today we've talked mainly about how the body and things that we put inside this tube, this that runs from our mouth to the other end, to our rectum, basically is impacting all these cells, these neurons, microbiota in there, mucosal lining, heart, lungs, and how all that information is feeding up to the brain to impact how we feel up here. But also how we feel up here is impacting how our body reacts at levels of very core physiology that you couldn't just tell yourself that this was going to work. But what you believe about certain substances, certain foods, certain nutrients does have a profound effect on the magnitude of their impact and sometimes even the quality and direction of that impact. So today's episode, we took a full journey into the brain-body relationship and discussed a lot of the mechanisms and the actionable items that you can approach if you want to explore this aspect of your biology and psychology further.